Hello viewers, welcome to our video tutorial for today. In our maths tutorial today, we are going to find the values of the angles A and C in this geometric question. We are going to show you how to find exciting solutions to this question. Finding the value of C is pretty easy because we will use one of the properties of geometry. But then there are two methods we can use in finding the value of A. Don't stop watching this video. I'm going to show you the two methods you are going to use, and these two methods are part of the properties you can learn when solving questions on geometry. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we upload our new content. Now let's solve this question. To solve this question, the first thing we want to do is to first of all analyze the first law we apply, the geometric law we apply to this question. Now remember, C is a value that is on the straight line, on the same straight line with angle 55. And because they are on the same straight line and they are on this at the same point, we can apply the fact that angles on a straight line add up to give 180 degree. That is one of the laws of geometry. So we can say C plus 55 degree is equal to 180. Our reason is angles on a straight what? Angles on a straight line. So when we have such angles on the straight lines, it's easy for us to find such angles whenever we are given such a geometry. So our C will be equal to 180. This comes over here minus 55 degree. So you see that our C will be equal to 125 degree. As I told you earlier on, I told you that finding the value of C is pretty easy. But then the most important thing is finding the value of A, angle A. Now I'm going to show you two proper methods you can use in finding the angle A, and these are two principles found in geometry. The first one we are going to look at is corresponding angles. Now, when you think of corresponding angle, I always tell my students you should always remember that corresponding angles are angles in the same space, but they are in different what? They are angles in different line, but they are in the same what? In the same position. Now, find this out. On line 1, angle A is on this position of this line. On line 2, angle 55 is in the same position with where A is. So that shows that they are corresponding angle. They are in the same position, but they are in different line. Now take note of that notation. That is what I use in recognizing corresponding angles. They are angles in the same position, but they are on different what? Different lines. So we can now say that our A is still equal to what? 55 what? Degree. Reason, they are corresponding what? They are corresponding angles. So according to geometry, corresponding angles are what? Are equal. That fact is taken. Now if you don't want to go about it this way, we can equally start to think about applying a simple law. And what is that simple law? Remember that these two angles are also in the same what? They are also in the same space. And since they are in the same space and they are opposite to one another, that is where interior opposite angles comes in. And remember, according to geometry, interior opposite angles sum up to give 180 degree. So that tells us that A plus C, angle C, is equal to 180 what? Degree. Now what does that tell us? We already know what angle angle C is. So A plus angle C, 125 degree, is equal to 180 degrees. So our angle A will be equal to, this comes over here, we'll have 180 degree minus 125 degree. So what does that give us? That will eventually make our A, angle A, to be equal to 180, subtract 125, we're going to have 55 degree. Voila. Now you come to see that the same value we get using this rule in geometry is still the same value we get using this same rule in geometry. What does that tell us? That our solution is perfectly correct. This is what I have for you today. You like this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you share it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel in order to get our subsequent simplified mathematics tutorial. Thanks so much, and bye bye.